Hi everyone, how are you? Today we are talking about the Dior Glow Foundation. It's an update. I did a test about a week ago and it's time for the reveal. I also have a bunch of new products that just arrived and I wanted to try them on with you. We have a powder that is the translucent, the 00 Luminescent. So we're going to try this one on together. I also got a new highlighter in pink strobe. We're going to try this. And we have two new Lip Addict lip stains to try on. All right, let's get started. Now I have to give you an update. Now the lowdown on this is I think I'm having a reaction to the niacinamide. If any of you out there have experienced this, please let me know because I don't want to be the only one. But every time I wear it, I get the rash. So let me know if this is happening to you. All right, that's my update. I promised I'd give an update and this is it. So I don't know if I can wear this. I'm going to try it 2 more days, and if not, then I will know that we aren't meant to be together. All right, the first thing we're going to do is put on some of this new powder. Now, I haven't touched it. I just took it out of the box. I love the packaging. Look at this. And this has that soft, squishy quilt, like a real handbag. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's put some on. I got what I think is translucent simply because I do not like any kind of color in my powder, and I very rarely use powder anyway because I'm 62 turning 63 in a month. And if I put powder on my face, it will invariably sink in every line, crevice on my face, on my forehead. It just goes everywhere. But it predominantly collects in my smile lines. So let's see what happens with this one. Look at it. Isn't that beautiful? No, it looks like it has a luminescent, and it's called luminescent. So let's put some of this on. And I love that it's not adding shine, but it's making it kind of a blur. Is that what you see? I could be imagining this, but I feel like it's really taken away that shiny look because the Glow Foundation is really marvelous. It worked on my mature skin. It did not settle in my fine lines or wrinkles, and it didn't emphasize any texture on my face, and it didn't make me look wet. In other words, I don't want anything that makes me look like I'm sweaty because there's a fine line between sweaty and glowing. Okay, there is the new translucent luminescent powder by Dior. Okay, I'm going to turn and let you look. I'm smiling, and we're going to see if it really emphasizes those crow's feet. The big one for me is my smile lines because mine are so deep and my forehead. Okay, now we got this new highlighter, and this is in pink strobe, and look at it. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's like a pink with gold in it. I have this other one I wanted to show you, but it's not new, but it's my absolute favorite. And this one is in pink glow, I believe. Pink halo. That's this one. Now here's the 2 different colors. This one has more pigment, and this one is beautiful. It's quite lovely. You can wear this with anything. I love this pink halo. And I've had this a long time. But I really wanted to try something new. And I wanted something that had a little bit more pigment to it. Let's put it on. Now before I do this, I already have on a blush today. I wanted to show you, I'm wearing the Rosewood. This isn't the older formula. I have the new one. I couldn't find it. Let's put a little bit on. Why not? Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of this Rosewood here just to refresh. Good look at that. Can you see how beautiful that is? It's gorgeous. All right, let's put some on here. Oh my goodness, this has a lot of pigment to it. I didn't expect that. Oh my. So we're going to put that just right there. And I'm putting on a lot more than I ordinarily do, but I want us to really see what it looks like together. I usually put a little bit of highlighter right there, right on there. Okay. Let's put on a lot. That way we can see if we like it. What do you think? Now, how does this look on mature skin? Now there is, a definitive line between too much or too little of the highlighter. I love highlighter because I love to glow. But too much, and if it has glitter in it or if it's more disco or super frosty, that's not the look that I personally go for. But these Dior ones are so finely milled that they're elegant looking. Those are the ones that I'm attracted to. This one right now, I'm packing it on. And I like it a lot. So that's the highlighter. Oh my goodness, this is a winner. I love it. And I actually really like this Luminescent 00 powder and our new highlighter in the pink strobe. Wow, I love them both. Okay, now the lippies, I am going to take off what I have and then I'll come back and we'll put these on together. Now this one, let's see. Okay, the darker colored one is number 771. And then this one is in 351. This is more of a neutral. And I like to get a darker stain sometimes because I use them as a liner. And then I'll fill this one on in the center. But I love to do that look where you mix colors, or I will do dark on the outside and light on the center. I just play and have fun. But let's put the lightest one on first because that dark one is beautiful, but it's dark. And I really want to use this one as a liner. Now this is the number 351. Oh, that's nice. Now here's what the applicator looks like. It's actually very thin. I wasn't expecting that. It's very thin, and I want it to stain. I like stains. It's soft. It's got a lot of moisture to it, and it's not sticky. So that's my first review of this product. I've never used these before. And I love this color because it's not too much, it's not overdone. It's a very neutral color. What do you think about this one? Do any of you own these? And what colors are your favorites? So that is my 351 new lip tint. Now let's take 771 and I'm going to use it as a liner. Now let me swatch these for you actually. I'm going to swatch 771. Oh, that's nice. Here is 771, the darker one. And see, it's not too dark. They're actually quite sheer. And here is the 351. There's the 351 right here. It's like a pink rose. That's quite nice for spring and summer. These are good for any time, which is why I wanted these specific colors. Now I ordered these colors specifically so I could use them year round because this I can use as a liner or by itself, but this is a good neutral year-round color. And you can add lip liners and glosses and really shift the color how you like it. But let's put this one on as a liner. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh my goodness, it's got a lot more pigment, it seems. There we go. Now this one seems to have a lot more pigment than the 351. Let's look at it from different angle. This is impressive because these have a lot of shine. They have pigment and they're not sticky. A lot of the stains either dehydrate your lips or they feel sticky and your lips stick together. That's not the case with these two. And I mixed it. I thought I was going to make a liner, but I messed up, and here we go. I really like that color, so I have blended this one with this one, and it looks quite nice. I'm going to put a little bit more of this on in the center. This is my favorite. The other one was nice, but this seems real see-through. It is very nude looking. I think by itself, because I have so much contrast with my dark hair and my light skin, light colors sometimes really wash me out. So I would need a little bit more with this one, which is why I thought I could line with this one, but I love this. Oh, and this to me is not just a winter or fall color. I will wear this year round. I think this is really elegant and sophisticated looking. It was wonderful having you with me today, and I don't know about you, but I'm not sure if I'm allergic to this or not. I will have to give you another update. I'm going to try it a few more times, and if my neck and ears keep getting red, I just might be allergic to this. So I'll keep you posted on the foundation. But I do love the feel of it, the wear of it, and I just don't know if that foundation and I are going to be able to work together. But I'll let you know. I'll keep you posted. And as far as the other new products, this highlighter, the pink strobe, I love it. It's beautiful. It has pigment, but it's not too much. So that's our new highlighter. The new translucent luminescent powder. It's like silk. It goes on like a dream, and it just takes the shine down without color. I love this. So I'm glad I got this one. But I really, really am impressed with these two new lippies. This is the Dior Addict lip stains. And I love the light one, but I especially love the darker one. Everything will be in the description box. If you want to see the colors again, I'll keep all that for you. But thank you for stopping by. And I really hope that this foundation works out for me. And let me know if you've had a reaction to this foundation, and if you own any of these products or have tried them, and if you love them too, or if you have some that you want to share with us, different colors and formulations that we need to try. I'll see you in the next video, and have a great rest of your day.